still 5 more minutes or so. Let us start. We can as well start the sound now. Thank you all. Actually, we started early. We don't mind. 5 more minutes. Namaste everyone. How are you? I know everybody is getting ready to thank so many people who are making our lives very comfortable, particularly the health department, the paramedics, the doctors, the nurses, the civic workers, and the drivers and ambulance people, and everyone who is trying to start a war against Corona-19. Particularly grateful to the central government, to all the state governments, and who are walking on one rope, forgetting about caste, creed, languages, politics, to fight against our one and only enemy now, Corona-19. Thanks for heeding to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji's request. Around 5 o'clock, we all have to express our gratitude to all these people who are helping the common man, the common people to be healthy actually, and to all those who have cooperated to be inside their homes for 1 day on self-quarantine from today morning from 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock. And don't think the war is over. Don't think the fight is over. We have to keep ourselves hygiene, and every doctor and everybody had been sharing a lot of things in the social media, what to do and what not to do. Let us heed to that. And don't ever think that because I am young, I don't get this age. It's only for people who are above 55 or 60 or 70. Not necessarily. Now everybody knows the science, because for the past 2 weeks, the entire world is sharing about how this corona propagates itself and how everybody is affected because of this, and what everyone is supposed to do. So let us take care of ourselves. It is not taking care of ourselves alone. Taking care of oneself is taking care of the next person, taking care of the next other person, taking care of the society, taking care of the state, the nation, and taking care of the entire world. We don't know how long it takes to get the vaccine. We are not very sure of that one. So the best we can do is to contain this prevailing Corona-19. So we have already taken oath to abide by certain regulations, certain rules, certain principles, and certain disciplines. And I'm very happy almost everyone is doing the same thing. And thanks for accepting my invitation and coming to listen to me, to look at me, and to listen to me. And everybody is doing their own way of expressing themselves in 4:45. Expressing themselves to cooperate in this mission, and I'm extremely happy that now the entire world has come to only one ideal: fight Corona and contain this disease and help the humanity to live long. What else can we ask? There are a lot of people who are sacrificing a lot of things actually. Think of the daily wages people. And everybody thinks that because we are not going to office and we are losing our wages, government has assured that their wages will not be cut. And the people on particularly pharmacies, which are all working very hard around the clock to get the medication, whatever is necessary for all of us. And the sacrifice will not go futile. It will not go futile. And when we reach the goal of containing this disease, you all will feel very, very happy, as if you have done something, you have attained something, you have reached the goal. That is what the main aim is now.
You want to see the people who are logging in?
Yes, I would like to, because I am on the other side of the camera now. Let me see people who have logged in and who are there with me today. Wow. Venkatachalam, Shravan and Shashiharan, Pradyotan. Thank you all for taking your time. Ganesh Ramaswamy. And like me, so many people are there talking to and saying that we are all under one roof. World is one roof now. World is under one roof. World is one umbrella. We are all there, and we are all fighting for a common cause. Sivaguru, yes. Lokananda Sivaguru, Geeta Lakshmi. Thank you all. What else can I say? I can only say तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. आज तो हम जानते हैं, मैंने नहीं जाना, अभी नहीं जाना. I will never say it. हम तो जानते हैं किसके लिए we are fighting this one. I know it. ಯಾರಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗಾಗ நம்ம இதெல்லாம் பண்றோம்னு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். ఎవరి కోసం మనం ఇది చేస్తున్నాం అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఈ ఐకమత్యం, this unity should prevail in us, not only for Corona's sake, for whenever there is a calamity, whenever there is a happiness to share, we all should be together. That is what we learned now because of Corona. Thank you, Corona. And we will shun you out of the world very soon. We are very confident about that one. Once again, let us all thank Modi ji, who brought everyone under one umbrella, and they are doing their best to help the country, and through the country, the world. And it is a fantastic feeling, actually. Fantastic feeling. We are all should be very, very happy that all the federal governments are also coordinating with the central government to do the best what the central government is asking. And this should be the motto in the coming future years also for all of us. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. So many people are watching, and it is not for the sake of anybody's benefit. It is for the sake of universal benefit. We are all here. Look, all if we have a small garden-like thing here, All the birds are coming under under one call. They are all going to meet around 5 o'clock. Let us show ourselves what exactly is our unity and the strength of our unity. This is what we got to show now. For 5 minutes, that's all. That makes a big difference to the entire world. Here, my family is here. That's my son Charan, and my wife is sitting next to me. Namaskar, namaste, namaskar. And all my pets are here. Watch. They know something good is happening. That's why they're all here. So you all also must be getting geared up for the 5 o'clock. I don't call it as noise actually. It's Thanksgiving music to be produced. Whichever way we can produce that sound becomes music. Thanking, as I said, to all those who have been working very hard to keep us healthy. And don't forget the people at the border. They are the real heroes actually. They have to fight with the other enemy. But here, all these people, this medical fraternity, police department, drivers, and pharmaceutical companies who are trying very, very, very hard to find out some potion for this corona. So these are all now like military forces. They are all fighting together. Let us thank them all. In about 8 minutes, it will be 5 o'clock according to my clock. And police department, they're always alert. They're always alert. They're always taking care of. If they are little harsh on people who are wandering around this day, please try to understand. They are trying to do something good for us. They are trying to save our health. They are doing their job. They are risking their health also. How can we thank them? How can? Such wonderful, wonderful contribution from every aspect of our country. And it should be the same all over the world too. And thank you for you all now. I see hundreds of names coming here. Ramya, Raveen, Shivaram. So many people are coming to join me to express their gratitude and thanks. And Mathumita, SP Abhishek, hey, how are you? Thank you, thank you. Thank you for being with us. What else? You have any questions? Ask me. I'm here. Let us have a chat, a healthy chat now. Venkat Subbarao Devarkonda, thank you for being with us. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकित यामिनी फुल्ल कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुजलां सुफलां मातरं सुखदां वरदां मातरं सुख वरदायिनी हमारी माता मातृभूमि है. We want the bhumi to be again Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini. Fulla kusumita druma dala shobhini suhasini sumadhura bhashini Vande Mataram. How proud we are to be Indians. How proud we are to be under one umbrella today. And let it be always, always.